Hello, this is Victor at RestoreMercedes.com. This video is for Art in Connecticut, and this unit is from a 500 SL500 ASR model, of course. Just want to show the operation and finished product, so throttle can be mailed back to a customer since it's already, since it's already tested and finished. So it's been on the bench just in this exact position for a few days, for a couple of days actually. And let's see the temperature. We're looking at about 113, 114. So it's been working for quite a long time. So for example, I don't have any cold units, but it's 75 in this room right here. So, and the throttle is 114. Given the fact that this is also a huge radiator, it's all aluminum, so heat dissipates, but it is pretty hot. So that proves that it's been running for a while. Linkage is very fluid, very light, very nice, no binding going on, very good. The underside of the unit is pretty clean. It actually cleaned off very well. I put a little sticker over here to cover the sticker during the cleanup. See, I have to still put bolts in because I open this up and blow all residuals before mailing it out. This wire was ripped out, so I had to reattach a little piece here, which is fine. But unit is ready to go. Just gonna show you readouts from the Star Diagnostic here. So 0.43, 4.24, exactly where we need it to be. Open the throttle slightly. Micro switches will change their position, and voltages also follow. They follow, and everything is just fine. As you can see, very sensitive, very good. So yeah, I don't have an issue with this unit anymore. It's been running. It's very hot, so coil should be fine, and readings are proper, so we are good to go. All right, so I'll show you activation, deactivation. So I have my power switch right here. That's off. That's activation. That's off. That's on. So as you can see, unit is fully operational and ready to go. I keep pressing the switch. So here we are, good to go. Another fixed throttle, repair throttle, going to a customer. This is all. This is Victor at RestoreMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.